Morning children, how are you all? Today we are going to do the revision of school life, that is unit 3 section 4. The title itself suggests you, I no need to explain you anything, right? There are so many ups and downs in school life. If you are clever enough, teachers are appreciating you. If you are not doing your work sincerely, sometimes we have to scold you. Many things, right? Some good memories are there, sometimes bitter also. Sometimes if we have not done homework and teacher scold us or give us punishment, then you may not like also. Yes? So let's see about school life. We'll begin with question answer. Who is the poet of this poem, School Life? That is Cheryl Thesiria is the poet of this poem. I repeat, Cheryl Thesiria is the poet of this poem. Why do we make a fuss in the morning? Fuss means we do so many, total confusion, like we are so much in hurry, so sometimes we mess up the work, that is a fuss. We make a fuss in the morning because, make a face I can say, you do not like to get up early in the morning and you make a face, that is called a fuss. We make a fuss in the morning because every day we have to get up early, even before the sun rises, as you have to prepare yourself to come to school. That is why you have to get up early. And many of you maybe do not like to get up early in the morning, especially nowadays when you are habitual to get up late in the morning, do the work lethargically, and then after, if time has, then you are doing your school work. Yes or not? Why do our parents say that school is great? Our parents says that school is great. Why they are saying so? Our parents say that school is great as we get to learn a lot in the school. Now you might be realize the value of school, why you need to come to school, why school is essential part of your life. You might be now knowing very well, right? Parents are saying that schools are great. They are saying so because we can learn many things from the school. Yes? Why do we feel otherwise? We feel otherwise because we find going to school is a chore. Chore means daily work. It appears to be a part of routine and does not excite. Excite means you do not have any interest in that to come school regularly. Come to school is a routine of your life, and sometimes you do not like to come school regularly because you do not find any interest in that. If it is a sports day, then it's a different matter. You like to come to school, you like to enjoy with your friends, but continuous study is there, then sometimes you are feeling bored also. Immediately the torture ends. What is that? Immediately the torture ends. What do you mean by this sentence? What torture is referred to here? The torture referred to here is the struggle to make up for reaching the school late by running half asleep and shoelaces not properly tied. Three sequences are there here. First of all, running half asleep. You are not fresh enough to come to school, still you want to sleep on your bed. Then shoelaces are not tied properly, and somewhat you are making a struggle to come to school. How does the torture end? The torture ends once we see our friends in the school. Yes, your companion, your friends, your classmates. Once you see them, you are getting energy from each other and you are now relaxed, and with fresh mind you are ready to study. So the torture to come to the school ends when you see your friends. Do you think it is true? Yes, it is torture when we have to get up early and then run almost in sleep to reach to the school. Yes, it is a torture when we have to get up early and then run almost in sleep to reach to the school. Why are the teachers good for us? I think this answer you have to tell me, right? I no need to explain you why teachers are important for you, good for you. You have to tell me why teachers are good for you. Teachers are good for us as they always teach us and listen to us like a friend. They also build confidence in us. Whatever type of students is there, beta, clever, average, then I cannot say that, because each mind is ready for learning something new. So we have to make a kind of relation with you, right? First we have to earn your trust, and then after, by taking you in confidence, we can interact with you, we can give you whatever we have learned through our school life. Yes, so that's why teachers are good for us, as they give us confidence, as they teach us new things, and I think they make ready the future citizen. What makes school an integral part of the child's growing up? Integral, important, a blend of many things, right? Why it is integral part of your growing ups? School is an integral part of the child's growing up phase, because first of all a child learns to follow a routine, right? How to perform in your daily life, that you learn by coming to the school. He or she has to get up, get ready and reach school at fixed time. So through this you will start making your timetable, at what time you should get up, right? In how many hours you have to complete your homework, your assignment, then how many hours you can allot for your playing time. So such a way you can start learning the time management, right? Once he or she is in the school, he or she has to follow rules, but he and she or she has lots of fun too, right? Some are saying that to follow the rules is quite difficult, but believe me children, if you follow the rules strictly, then you will be safe enough, right? He or she finds the teachers are nice to him or her. They are like friends, and build confidence in them, in him or her, right? Teachers are, I can say that, sources of knowledge, right? It is all depends on you how much you can take from there. Whatever they have learned, whatever knowledge they have through their experience of life, you can learn many things from there. If you start trusting on your teachers, if you make your teachers as your good friend, so many things can be changed in your life if we start loving the school. So here is a beautiful essay written by one of my student on school life. You may also try this essay by yourself, right? And whenever school will reopen, I may check this essay in your notebook. Thank you very much.